Minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit the button, baby.
Party dance time.
The word star, man, is an illusion.
Stay cool.
THOR News is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around.
This is a THOR News presentation. THOR News presents
Eyeing Exo-Moons in the search for E.T. This is brought to us by Space Daily. I guess they bring you space daily. We are eyeing Exo-Moons in the search for extraterrestrials, aliens, E.T. Can we agree right here, right now, that if we are looking for aliens, aliens are probably looking for us? And just by judging how a lot of y'all drive in traffic, I would have to guess they're probably smarter than us. Still seems like we got a pretty long way to go in the evolution of humans becoming awesomer together as one. But hey, that's what I'm here for. I guess I'll have to wait for my report card. Let's carry on. This article was written by Brian Gansler for The Conversation. This is brought to us out of the SPX in Canada, February 23rd, 2016. Space Daily. It's our portal to space. But space is everywhere. You don't really need a portal to get there, bro. I don't mean to burst your bubble. I wonder if I burst his bubble because someone just burst my bubble like an hour and 45 minutes ago. Weird. I had a bubble for like 17 minutes. And it was nice, and it was safe, and it was warm, and then it was gone. Now I'm here with you, and we're looking for aliens. Or we're learning about people looking for aliens using exomoons, probably with an assist from gravitational lensing. When I was young, the only planets we knew about were the ones in our own solar system. I know what I mentioned before, solar systems are just like big high schools, except way more violent, and the bake sales are totally better. Astronomers presumed that many of the other stars in the night sky had planets too, but this was sheer speculation, because the Hubble was not born yet. And once the Hubble was born and the supercomputer was invented, astronomers knew almost everything about everything everywhere out in outer space. Talking a million light years away or 3 light years away, but not really within our own solar system. Asterisk, wink wink, needles in the butt. Ow, that hurts. Please don't do that again. We could never know for sure. The thinking went, because such planets were ridiculously small and faint to ever see or study, them seemed a complete impossibility. What is that, Jake Clampett speaking? To ever see or study them seemed a complete impossibility. Extrasolar planets, or exoplanets, were a staple of science fiction, but not of professional astrophysics. Well, I'm here to tell you that things have changed, and that's for the better. Because we're talking about searching for aliens, and aliens searching for us. What if they found us already? And then I would say like Mars has been in control since 1999, but it's 2016. I think the solar system is ready for a new dance number. Something with a little more high-quality energy that inspires, invigorates, and vibrates all things on a higher level. But who knows? This exoplanet talk is making me all new agey. What the hell, man? What the hell? Extrasolar planets. Or exoplanets. It's hard to believe that there was once such a simple time. No, it's not, dude. I mean, that was only like 15 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't that freaky. You know what I'm saying? I can think of a lot of other freakier stuff. The first definitive detection of an exoplanet was in 1991, identified by the tiny wobbles experienced by the parent star as its exoplanet swung around it. Since then, the field has exploded, the bottleneck has broken, and we've got more exoplanet data than we can handle. Thank you, magic gravitational lensing. May you be rewarded with 1 million grants of high-quality science. There are now around 1,600 confirmed exoplanets, with almost 4,000 other known candidates. Man, some of these planets and exomoons have to be closer than 1 light year away. Come on, at least give me like 1.5 light years, or 2 light years, or even 3.7 light years. Come on, man. Give me some good science a little closer. Because things have been hitting too close to home lately. So maybe I could get something really awesome that hits home. There are exoplanets smaller than Mercury, and others many times bigger than Jupiter. Wow, exoplanets kind of sound like nipples. They come in all different shapes and sizes and are filled with magic energy. And the ones we know about are just a tiny fraction of the approximately 100 billion exoplanets we now believe are spread throughout our Milky Way galaxy. Wow, that is some heavy-duty, deep and wide stretching math. Beyond Earth-like planets to exomoons. An exomoon orbiting a planet, which in turn is orbiting another star. Wow, I got it. I like that. I like that. I like that. Do it again. I like that. I like that. I like that. Do it again. I didn't know what it'd be like to do something. And I have the mothership watching or whatever. Yeah, this whole new AG THOR of THORnews is wicked. What have we learned today? An exomoon is a moon orbiting a planet, which in turn is orbiting another star. See, the theme for this week is balance. You may not have ever heard of exomoons before now. No, I've heard of them, dude. Definitely heard of them. But if you're a fan of films such as Avatar, Return of the Jedi, or Prometheus, wait a second. Loved Avatar. When I was a kid and saw Return of the Jedi, I loved it. But then, as I grew up, I'm like, wait, Boba Fett's a badass. How does he just, accidentally Three Stooges into the Sarlacc pit? That is the least satisfying death of a coolest character ever, I think. You know what I'm saying? What the F? Prometheus? Nah, never saw it. This should be familiar territory. Or if you watch THORnews, we talk about exoplanets, exomoons, aliens. Get to the aliens, man. Oh, crap. This has gone too long. We might have to get to the aliens in the next episode. So I guess we haven't learned anything this episode. I'm sorry, man. I'm screwing it up. In all three cases, most of the action takes place on an exomoon. Yeah, well, around here, it's busier than an exomoon. But what about real life? How many exomoons do we know of? At the moment, 0. What? But the race is on to find the real-life analogs of Endor and Pandora. No! You don't want to find Pandora's box, because if you find Pandora's box, you open it. And then bad things happen, and I get blamed. Alright, we'll get to the aliens. Or the aliens will get to us in the next episode. God bless you, everybody. Aliens and moons, man. Super blood exo moons. Next on THORnews.